Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to another stream. So you're probably wondering, where have I been for the last 10 days? Well, I've actually been pulling my hair out, so let me explain. So I've actually been working on a major revamp, specifically for the UI system. A lot has been revamped. I've had to refactor the reference system and stuff. So the UI system now consists of a modularized design is one of the things. So now I can sort of, if I wanted to, I could theoretically change this entire design of all of these widgets with just these base widgets here. So we've got the body, which is the white part, and then we've got the header part, which is the black part. If I wanted to change all the buttons in one hit, I can change it here, even the text and the titles. So this consists of the titles, and the text is this stuff here. Yeah, so let me so that's what I'm going to be showcasing this today. And there's also a brand new UI management system. So if I go to here and then characters, player, it's now all managed via the HUD. So I'll be explaining this as well, but we'll also be jumping into, let me quickly jump over to here. We'll also be jumping into this. Some other things we'll be doing today. So I'll be showcasing this quickly, just this UI management system and how it all works. But we also need to do a few things. I need to optimize the conveyor belt. So if I can show you here, if we go over here to the workshop, this conveyor belt is sort of running all the time, and that's not optimal. That's not what we want to happen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a trigger, and when players walk within the trigger, so this spline will sort of only spawn crates if there's a player within range, and we can sort of attach these machines to the trigger and also this spline, so then we can handle it when players overlap and so pretty much it's only going to work if there's players within range. We also need to refactor the equipment table, and also the crafting system is not fully done yet. But let's jump straight into the UI system. So what was happening before? Let me try and explain this. So obviously there's a main HUD, right? And then we have different game layers. Inventory, store menu, searching menu, which is like an inventory where you can search things, and orders as well. So these were the different types of layers. And the way I was doing it before was, if you opened your inventory, I created the widget, and then when you close the inventory, I destroyed the widget. And that is actually not optimal. What I did, the way you want to do it is you want to create all of these layers straight away, type of thing, and then collapse them and only bring them into visibility when you want to use them, type of thing. That's much better optimize wise than creating them and destroying them constantly. So what you want to do is you want to create them and then collapse it and have them collapse and only show them. And the way I did it is obviously there's the main HUD layer, which is this, which is constant. So that gets created first, and that's the bottom layer, right? And then what I do now is there's different types of layers. So as you can see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 different types of game layers. So we've got an inventory, store layer, search layer, and then orders. So what I do is I create them, and then I add them to an active widgets list. So these are the active widgets that are that are collapsed type of thing. So I add them, and then what I do at the end is I just add them all to the viewport, but they're collapsed obviously, and then I have a little a toggle widget function, which essentially toggles the widget. So if it's not the right one, if it's visible, we'll collapse it. But then we either focus game or focus the widget. So if they toggle the widget, if this gets called again, it will focus on the game, which is this. But if we want to toggle the widget, if we want to focus on the widget, then we can focus on the widget like that. And this, all I need to do now to be able to toggle these is just call these functions. So that's how that works. Yes, how you doing, Tombstone, mate? Welcome to the stream, and definitely we are back. Shout out to the one watching on YouTube and the one on Twitch. But yeah, that's pretty much where we are. So that's essentially how that works. And the way this works now, essentially, is, let me open this as well. So the blueprints, characters, player controllers. So this is very essential too. So this is probably the intended way to do this type of stuff. Has to be all done on, or it doesn't have to be, but you should essentially be doing this all in the HUD class, right? So the first thing that happens is, especially in a multiplayer game, is the controller gets created first. So this is the first thing that happens. Ignore this. This is just setting the input mapping. This is just making it so you don't have to click the game to be able to start playing. And this is disabled right now, but this is, I'm gonna put this back here because I don't want to see the messages. So I just keep forgetting that's there when I'm trying to print strings. But then see. So in the controller, so this controller gets created first, right? So now I need a hard reference to this controller. Not necessarily, but it's good to have this hard reference. But where is this hard reference to the controller? Well, I'm in the controller, so I've got the hard reference, right? So that's worried about. But now I need the HUD. And what I've done is I created a macro, a library, to wait for it to be loaded, because by the time this is created, this HUD essentially may not be created yet by the time this controller is created. So then, then we get the HUD reference. So now I have the controller and the HUD reference, and now I have to pass that through to the character, but after it's created. So what I do is I spawn the character, and then I pass through the HUD and the controller, and then after I've spawned the character, then possessed the character, then this is created. This reference component is created, but only begin play is called. So if I go to here, reference component, so this is called. So all the character components are set. I've got all the character stuff here, and then what I do after, and then by the time that's created, then I can access this, and then I can access this function here, and then I can set these hard references. So I've got all my component references. Mesh, capsule component. I've got character, animation instance. I did have player controller, but I recommend not using the actual player controller, because you've actually got a class of the controller, so you're actually trying to go backwards with the controller if you try to do the player controller. So I recommend just having your hard references for your HUD, because I now need the HUD reference to be able to access like toggle inventory and all this type of stuff. So those references are very essential, the hard references. So that's essentially how I did that, and it's insanely optimized as well. And if I can do something, where should I do it actually? I might be able to do it here. And I use soft object references. Like if I can show you, like if I go to here, go to reference viewer. Is there a reference view here? No reference view here. Okay. If I go like this, reference view, there we go. So how many we got here? Oh, we got 68 collapsed nodes. All right, so well, soft object references, right? See, because we've got an inventory. If I go to here and go to the pickup data, this is all the inventory data, the store data. It's essentially the pickup data. See, so now my static meshes are soft object references, and the pickup icons are soft object references. So this means, say I had 100, there's 100 pickup icons, right? That if they're hard object references, like all of those icons, all 100 of those icons are loaded onto memory, and that's not ideal. Like, especially when the inventory is created, and it exists the entire time. But when they're collapsed, they're essentially not there. So don't think like it's going to be worse optimizing. It's actually going to be better. It's actually worse to create and destroy them. But like I was saying here, 100 icons loaded, but because they're soft object references, what I do, if I can go into here, I can show you, I do it here. So what I do is I create a function called, load static mesh, and then I pass through the soft object reference, and then I do an async load asset, and then you cast to either the static mesh or the text, the texture 2D, and then that's how you actually set the thing, and then inside on your data table thing, this is where you actually load the static mesh, and you do the same thing for the icons. And instead of 100 icons being loaded onto memory, the only icons that are loaded onto memory are the ones that are on screen and being seen right there and then. So essentially none of it's loaded onto memory until the inventory is open, and if you only got one item, you've only one icon's been loaded essentially. That's what I understand from it anyway. It's optimizing large amounts of things like meshes and icons and stuff like that. So that's all that. But let's start jumping into some of the coding. So what I want to do first off is well, what do you reckon we should do first, guys? So we need to refactor the equipment. That's just creating a data table to, because let me just show you quickly why we need to do it. Is it here? It can't be here. Oh no, it's not here. Equipment. Like, look at this. Like, the more we add, the more out of control this is becoming. So we need to turn this all into a data table where we can. Oh shit. We're gonna have to convert these into. Yeah, we're gonna have to convert them into text or into names, and then put that into the data table, and then this stuff will be in the data table, and then we'll be able to like do it all very neatly. But the first thing I want to do is this. So let me jump in game and show you, just in case you haven't seen it and stuff. I'll show you what's oh shit. It's loading into a standalone game. I've got to stop this so it loads in quicker. It's just going to take a couple of seconds, guys. But anyway, we're back, guys. After 10 days of me pulling my hair out trying to get all this working properly. But now we've got a much more optimized UI system. The response is even better, I noticed. And the way it works is only one layer will be shown at a time. So if I, for some reason, have an inventory open and then I open up the store menu, it will replace it, type of thing. How you doing, Ken Traneko, mate? Welcome to the stream, brother. How you doing? I'm doing good, mate. Here's a standalone game. Sorry, guys, but I'll get out of this and then we'll load into a viewport, which is a lot quicker. But I'm under the assumption you need to load in the standalone games for Steam to work properly. Is performance also improved with this refactoring? Yes, definitely. The even the referencing is better. The referencing is better. The UI is completely modularized. Besides the computer, because it's its own little individual thing. The computer UI is the only one that's not modularized. So if I wanted to change, the design like this, if I wanted to change the design of the entire UI, I could literally do it by changing two files. Like I could change this file here and that file there and change this color completely. I could change the font and size of all these. These are overridden, but like if I go to here, I think it is. Uh, I can literally change everything in one hit. So that's modularized, and then the management of the UI is completely better, like 10 times better optimized wise. But I might as well just show you what's going on in here because we're here. So let's go stat FPS. So this is because we're multi-streaming, the performance may be worse, but right now we've got 50, 60 frames a second, and I think going on here? All right. He's stuck against the wall. That's the problem. Do you have any of the prison guards implemented? This is a multiplayer-driven role-playing game, so there isn't no. The only NPCs there are like nurse NPC, commissary NPC, worker NPCs. There's no CO NPCs. And I don't think there will be because I can't really think of anything for it. But this is what's happening now. So what's happening is this spline is literally every 5 seconds, bang, creating one of these crates. And this crate is moving itself along the spline. But see, we don't want this happening the whole time. Especially when there's nobody here, right? So what I want to happen is when you get to about here, then it will start working. You know, and the machines will start working. We can optimize it to that degree, but I want to go even further to optimize it to the point where the machine's only working when you're actually doing an order. So if we go to here, generate an order, you first got to put that's right anyway. So, but yeah, I want to make it so potentially it only happens here. But the way I'm going to do it is we need a trigger, obviously, so that we know when there's a player overlapping or not. And then yeah, let's just do that. And then see, these machines are making sounds, so I need to attach these machines to the trigger. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do that. We're gonna start doing it. Let me just quickly change this for next time. This is much quicker. Look, see how quick that is? Alright. And as you can see, no more errors. Yeah, major revamp. And also, a lot of other things have been revamped along the process. So, we need a trigger now. But shout out to whoever's watching. Make sure you hit the like button, guys. Consider subscribing. Might get some more people into here. But I'm better off just going like this. Blueprints, workshop, trigger. Okay, bang. What do we want to happen in here? We want some conveyor belt arrays. Let's make it more readable. Conveyor belt machines. BP conveyors. Make that an array. Suppose that bad boy. Okay. What's going on with the mouse, man? Alright. We need it to be much bigger. Shit. Okay. Yeah, that's about where I want it, I think. That's what I'm going to do, like this. Yeah, there. Yeah, that's good. You know what? Oh, that's good. Alright, there's our trigger. Which one's that one? Number one. Okay. So number one, number two. Alright. These now need to be turned off by default. Let's make sure we know if it's running. Is machine running? Interesting. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna have to like do something totally different here. We're gonna have to spawn this sound. So I want to fade it in and out as well when they turn on and off because it will sound better. Alright, so we need to shit. Toggle machine sound. Alright, let's pass that through. Shout out to the two watching on YouTube and the one watching on Twitch. Make sure you hit the like button, guys. Consider subscribing or following, depending on what platform you're on. It usually helps with the streams. Alright, so we wanna if it's enabled, we wanna spawn the sound. We'll call this the machine sound. Attenuation with a main attenuation on that bad boy. Alright. So now here we need to okay. Alright. We want to spawn the sound. Always do your safety checks like this, guys. Make sure the thing exists before you try to handle it. Alright. So now we can what is it? Stop? Or what? Is it destroy or something? What is it? Yeah, where is it? I need to get the fade logic from here as well. Oh. What the fuck? Alright, yeah. Okay. Stop sound, alright. Uh, okay, that's us. So that's turning the machine on and off, and that's how we know it's running. Why is this all jammed together like this? Alright. Oh shit. Alright. Alright, so now we know when the machine's on and off. And it's making appropriate sounds. Uh, so we don't want that to happen. We just want to know when to turn it on and off. Alright. So now we can turn them off. Oh, wait. Conveyor belt spline. And I betcha conveyor belt, conveyor spline, alright. Conveyor spline. What? Spline? Belt spline? What's going on here? Uh, oh, that's right. It must be the fucking. You can't. Maybe it has to be a spline component or something. Conveyor spline. Typos. Alright. So now I can attach the trigger. Bang. Alright. Make sure this is not running. Okay, start spawn and stop spawner is what I'm going to need. We don't want it to start straight away. We go like this. Now we're going to have to promote that. What's this called? The spawn timer. Alright. So then bang, 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 bang. And then what we want to happen is to be able to turn it off. Stop spawner. Ah. Clear and invalidate timer. Alright. So is conveyor belt on? SRV toggle. Oh my fucking keyboard's stuffing up right now. What's going on here? Toggle conveyor. Oh, it's like it has batteries, so it's probably dying right now. Conveyor belt. Oh my god, man. Wait, here. I know I usually fix it by pulling it out and pulling it back in. 1 second. Okay. Fucking hell, mate. Okay, toggle conveyor belt. If you're wondering what I'm doing here, this is just flipping the value. So it's false, and now it's setting it to true. And then if it's set to true, then you do whatever you want to do here. Like start spawner here. Start spawner. And then we can stop spawner. Alright, so now we can toggle the conveyor belt on and off, which will spawn things accordingly. These deal with themselves and get destroyed eventually. So, oh wait, interesting. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna have to do it. Get all actors of class. We're just gonna have to, because how I'm gonna get rid of them? Like, anyway. So I need to. What are these? License crate. License crate. License crate. For each. So when the machine turns off, all the things will be all the crates will be destroyed instead of continuing, because the machine's now off. So you're better off just destroying them all. It will look better that way. No one should be there to be able to see them get destroyed anyway. There we go. We got the conveyor belt spline to turn it off. We've got the machine things that we can do. So we need to toggle that on and off there, and then toggle this. That's what we're going to do. We're going to do it this way. Alright, so now essentially, like, let's just it with it shouldn't be running now. So the spline shouldn't be working, it shouldn't be spawning anything, and we shouldn't hear anything as well. We're just going to double check it. May as well. Shout out to the free watching on YouTube. Make sure you hit the like button, guys. Consider subscribing, and also the one on Twitch. If you're on Twitch, make sure if you're not followed, follow me on there. Okay. Yeah, that's what we want. No conveyor belt, no sounds, beautiful. But now when we go into this bad boy, begin and end overlap. This stresses me out how it calls multiple times for the fucking character and the controller. Can you believe it? Alright. So, I narrowed down to this. I put a player tag on the characters, so then I know it sort of narrows it down at least that much. So if they're a player, we want to get component by class. This is their reference component. So now we've got our references. Beautiful. Alright. Actually, we don't need any of their data. Uh, so if they're not active, then we want to activate. Alright. So we only want to activate this like that. So what we can do, toggle conveyor belt on, and then we need to toggle machines on. I mean, I could have done this with just two variables, but fucking who cares? I'm putting it. It's like it's doing two loops, man. I don't want to break. I want to do all of them. For each. And here we need a toggle. So what we want to happen. And then if this is slightly different because like we only want to this will only happen once as soon as a player walks in there, and this is it's not the workshop is not active, then it will become active, right? And then it will remain active until the last player, until they exit. So only if this is active, then we want to do the checks. And then if this means someone's left it, so get overlapping actors. If the length, you can do a class filter. Beautiful. All right. Length. So if the overlapping actors, this would have to be more than more than 0. So if someone's left, but there's still someone there, or wait, this will be a less or equal. I'm assuming that the player that's just left is no longer overlapping. So I'm hoping this this logic is gonna logic. Not sure if the logic will logic here, but that's the idea. So if the workshop's active and someone's left, and there's no more players left, then we want to make the workshop inactive and then do this. You know what? Look how professional this is going to look. Wait for it. Wait for it. Look at that, baby. Beautiful. Yeah. Boss moded. Alright. Oh, yes. What's going on here, man? What? What? Okay. That should be us. But I want to know if this is actually going to work the way we want it to. So what's this going to... This is workshop stopped operation. Workshop is now in operation. Alright, so we should see that those by the time we get close to the workshop. Shout out to the free watching on YouTube and the one watching on Twitch. But alright, so theoretically they should be all turned off right now. But as soon as I get in here, I didn't. Oh, that's right. This is why I'm not seeing any print strings. I literally said this was going to happen. Interesting. I'm not seeing the print strings again. This thing's happening again. I have to reset the editor things, I think. Yep, definitely. Yeah, fucking what? Alright, editor settings. Reset. We're just gonna reload the engine, guys. So we can get the print strings back. This should only take a little bit, but yep, that's where we are. How long have we been going for? 43 minutes, not bad. We've got this conveyor belt logic pretty much done now. Then we can refactor the thing, and then maybe we can start finalizing the crafting system. There's only a few things I need to do. I need to make it so you can actually get scrap, purchase scrap off the inmate NPC or the contraband menu. But we're back, guys. We are back. 10 days it took me to pull my hair out for 10 days to get this done. But God, I loved every second. Programming is a love and hate relationship. It's sometimes tedious. You need to do tedious shit like that, where you just gotta fucking get it done, you know? And it's all worth it. Because now the UI system is completely optimized, and I now understand the best way to manage UI with a player. I always thought the HUD class was just fucking ridiculous. Like, why why use the HUD class where you now got a hard reference to HUD class, you know what I mean? Where you can just create a widget anywhere type of thing. But this is how it's meant to be done. Alright, so now we should see print strings. We at least should see, there we go, we can see strings now. Alright, so when we get close by, it should say operation on, and then we can fuck around with it and go operation on, off, on, off, on, off. Alright, ready? It should be any second now. Bang, operation on. Okay. That's the logic then. This is not logicking. This here, so we'd have to go like that. So it does count the actual one that's overlapping. And yeah, that's not logicking. But at least it's on now. No. Okay. Alright, so what's happening here? So if it's active. Oh look, that's why. Usually helps when you plug shit in. Fucking hell, mate. Oh, alright. So it might be 0 then. It's still gonna work. Yeah, like I'm gonna do this change regardless. So let's just check that this is. So let's assume it's not counting the act that has literally just ended the overlap because it's end overlap, right? We're not even checking it if there's any type of fucking performance. Like, in big places like this, it drops down a bit, and there's a lot of shit happening here. Plus, these rackings are very fucking resource hungry. We had to literally, like, optimize the living fuck out of this racking just for it to not kill the frames. Oh, what the fuck? See this multiple getting called multiple times shit? Alright, it's in operation. Stopped operation. It's working. It just gets called multiple times. Oh, or it isn't, actually. Yeah, no, look. Alright, so let's see if we can... So now, if we can see, wait for a crate. 5 seconds. 1. Bang. It should be gone now. Yeah, beautiful. 5 seconds. Bang. So it just takes 5 seconds yeah, for it to start. So let's let it fill up. Let's fill up the conveyor belt and see if they'll be destroyed when we walk out. So there we go. I can just hear it in my headphones, but yeah. So this is beautiful. So now we've got an optimized. So now this spline is not working essentially, not even playing the sound if it doesn't need to. That's the whole purpose of optimization. All right, that's how you're meant to think with optimization. You need to think, you know, what the process is. Does this process need to happen only when the player's there and type of stuff? Because there's no point of spawning fucking this crates every 5 seconds. Plus sounds and that for you know, when the player's not even near here. So all right, we've got a full thing. So now we should see the crates literally disappear. Yeah, there you go, boom. Alright, so there we go, that's us. There's our optimized conveyor belt, guys. Now let's work on the next thing. Refactor the equipment into a data table, alright. But how am I going to do this? Yeah, that's what it would be here. Actually, the equipment types. I need to convert equipment types. I need to make these as the data table. So these will be the row names. We'll call this the equipment data. Equipment data. Alright, so what do we need? We need we need to store this data here, and this is going to be the row name. So we need an equipment class, which is a master equipment class. And a name? Is that the name? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the name. Equipment class. Equipment socket name. Alright. Master equipment class. Alright, beautiful. Now we can put it all into a nice, neat data table. What the fuck? Data table of the equipment. Data table, equipment data. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Radio, handcuffs, box. Radio, handcuffs, box. Clipboard, broom, mop. Clipboard, broom, mop. Knife, wok, spatula. Knife, wok, spatula. Crate. Basket empty. Basket full. Basket folded. Alright. Radio. Radio. Handcuffs. Box. Box sockets. Clipboard socket. Broom socket. Broom sockets. Mop sockets. Knife socket. That'd be a shiv. Knife socket, wok socket. Wok sockets. Shout out to the 5 watching on YouTube and the 1 on Twitch. Make sure you hit the like button, guys. Consider subscribing, depending on what platform you're on. It helps a lot with the streams. Spatula socket. Okay. Crate. Crate sockets. I'm assuming. Basket socket. Basket socket. Basket socket. All right. So now this is very neat, as you can see. We've got the basket empty, basket full, basket folded. Boom. Now, look how fucking beautiful this is going to be. Get rid of that nonsense. Fuck me dead. What was that? What were we thinking, guys? So now we want to, it'll have to go to a string, I believe. To string. And then we can go to name. Or to text. String to name. Nice. Beautiful. Alright, beautiful. Data table row. Get data table row. So now, beautiful. Look at that. Fucking beautiful. Alright. Now we get the data table for the equipment. So now we can break this bad boy. And look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Look how fucking clean that is. Look how fucking clean that is. Boom. Equipment socket. Equipment class. Equipment socket. Equipment class. Beautiful. Row found. What do you reckon, guys? Much better? See how fucking... I love data tables, man. They're fucking beautiful. Look at that. Alright. So now let's see if it still works. Bushka. Whack. Whack. Whack, 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 whack. Alright. Beautiful. What the fuck's going on there? It's the overlay. Alright, beautiful. I want to see this frame rate. It's going to be worse because of the stream, but should be turning on now any second now. Yeah, beautiful. 50. Yeah. Alright, beautiful. Everything's nice. There we go. Everything's beautiful now. Let's start working. If you haven't seen yet, I might as well show you how this all works. Let's jump on our little computer over here. We can go to the workshop. We can generate an order. We need 8 crates for the warehouse off the conveyor belt. We can go whack. Well, there you go. That's not working. Interesting. The basket wasn't working. The crates. Interesting. The crates. It's a crate socket in it? Interesting. This means this was incorrect. What is going on here? The crate socket, I'm assuming. The crate socket. Alright, so now let's just make sure this socket is the right one. Crate socket. Maybe I've done a typo somewhere. Alright. Now let's check the equipment blueprint. Nothing's wrong with it. Okay, what's going on here? Alright, let's give it another crack. It should be working, but it isn't for some reason. Ah! Oh, wait. So, see how the crates are getting removed? I don't think it will have something to do with that, but I think the overlap's getting caught again and it's removing all of them. Okay, the equipment's bugged. So we need to figure that out. 7 crates. What the fuck? That looks like there's way more than 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we can come back here and dispatch that bad boy. $2.79. Fucking rich. Alright. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck's going on there, man. That's strange, actually. I don't want to have to change this. Wait, where's this reference? We gotta figure this out, guys. We gotta figure this out. What's going on here? Look how many times this fucking reference. I could just pass this directly through. But this is the row name. This is not logicking for some reason. Crate socket. Basket socket, basket socket, basket socket. Let's go and try out the laundry and see if that's not spawning. Oh shit. Yeah. Should be a basket in my hand, obviously. Okay, so what else? So the knife was showing, but the knife, however, oh, interesting. Oh wait, I can craft it. I don't have any materials, but I can craft it for some reason. I haven't fully completed that yet. So now, okay. That's right. These are weapons, not equipment. Or is it? Yeah, I don't know what the fuck's going on here. So what I'm assuming is that this is wrong here. This is like for some reason. Shout out to the 4 watching on YouTube and the 1 watching on Twitch. But we've got a bit of a pickle going right here. The logic is not logicking. I might as well, yeah, I might as well just use the hard fucking row names. You know what I mean? Like, I feel this is closer than the workshop. You know. Okay. Let's see if the data table is actually working. So what did I do? Basket. Yeah. So I have to go to the laundry. So it should be a full basket, like in my hand. Like, interesting. Why? Wait, did it even print the string? Fuck, that dropped down a bit, the frames there. Fuck. Shout out to the 4 watching on YouTube. Make sure you hit the like button, guys. Consider subscribing, or if you are... Alright, so I need to go one... Fuck me, dead. What's going on, bro? And I didn't even check to see if that string printed. Okay. I don't know why this isn't logicking. So this isn't even fucking working. It's an actual class, like row found, equipment data. Wait, what? That's why it's not fucking working. Fuck me dead. That's why it's not working. Alright, now it will fucking work. The old off the valid instead of the invalid node fucking thing trick. Whatever you want to call it. Fuck me, dude. So instead of typos in code, you now need to deal with fucking nodes, execution nodes and shit. Alright, we don't even want to bother over here. We might as well do it over here. It's on, you know what I mean? It's on now. Oh, beautiful. Boom. Much cleaner, guys, much cleaner. They want a full fucking box today, or a full bin today. And see how it's like a perfect speed to grab them? That was a fluke. I just thought, yeah, every 5 seconds will be alright. Beautiful. Oh wait, I gotta dispatch that bad boy first. Now I'm gonna compare how much I earned. I earned 263 there. Let's see how much I earn here. Look at this, you can speed run jobs. Boom, still. What do you reckon some strats will be? Oof. You rotate it like this so it goes quicker. That's a strat. And you shouldn't be able to move while you're washing. Let's just put that in there. Shouldn't be able to move while you're washing. Make so cannot move while you are washing towels. Alright, so make the scrap and card show in the search inventory, alright, so you can confiscate them. That's something. Centralize the search timer into its own component. That will be handy. It'll just make more sense. I've got to finish off the inventory system. We're going to make it so the store menu. How long are we going for? An hour and 12 minutes. Not bad. Shout out to the 4 watching on YouTube. So what can we do now? Yeah, we can look at that. Let's close some of this stuff. Okay. Tab 3. This now needs to be enabled. And then when we set up the store grid, those are the empty slots, I believe. Yeah, empty slots. Ah, what the fuck? Oh, I just got to remove this. This is the old logic. Whoa. Oh, that's the item menu. That's right. Yeah, that's good. Well, this shit needs to be created and destroyed, type of thing. Where does it fucking load? Here, that's where it's loading it. Set up store grid. Why is it just a function? Oh, it's in the owning client. There we go. Okay, other. Contraband, yes. Alright, so here we go. This is what's missing. So we won't want cards, we want scrap. Okay. Alright. Scrap. Uh, we don't want to enable it. Okay. Okay, there we go. So now that should actually fill the store menu up. Let's go check. The tabs are not going to be, the tab logic is going to be messed up. Oh, I don't need to see this guy. I need to see this guy. I should say scrap. Alright, so now we can access it. Let's see if we can order some of it. Alright. Order it. Ah, interesting. No, this needs to, you need to get it straight away. So where's his tab logic? Okay. I could click on it, but so now when we, okay, the logic's done in here. Okay. I need to go back in and see if the tabs are correct. I don't know. I think they are. So now, yeah, so with the purchase, we want to get the scrap straight away. We don't want to have to go and get it. Animosity FPS says, "Is this your first game?" Yes, it is. My first official game that I. It's not essentially the first game I've worked on, but the first actual game that I've probably the furthest I've gotten with a game so far. It is my first game that will be released. But why does it say other? And why does it say food and drinks? Because this guy. Commissary is not a contraband menu, and this is a contraband menu, so this is not logic. For fuck's sakes. Interesting. Store UI. Must be getting set somewhere. I can't. Oh, that's the pre-construct. So then that's not working. Is it? This is part of the refactor, just an issue with the refactor, I think, because I was passing that boolean through before when I was creating it. Fucking, where am I going, man? Damn, it's so laggy with the multi-streaming. Okay, it's saying commissary. See, boom, that's all incorrect. And I'm actually getting the commissary menu. Ah, okay. So that would be, oh shit. All these, like this, this is calling this because this is not set yet. Ah, that's an issue. So there's a major issue there. So preset variables for store widget, etc. Not working under pre-construct. Alright, so I need to fix that issue. So what I'd have to, I'm assuming, but this is the pre-construct. This, I thought this ran like the construction script. Alright, so there's that issue. Add script to inventory. Make it so you get scrap right away and do not have to order from sewer dealer. Alright, so we're getting a bug list going. So there's that. I didn't know, I didn't even consider that before. And what the fuck? How is it? But it's passing it through here. That's right, because this now already exists. So this gets called fucking before it even constructs. So this is set to false. So all this is getting set to false. Look, bang, false. Everything's getting set to false there. So what I need to do, essentially, is potentially make a function that sets all this, that has this set in there, and then I can set that directly and then do all this. So yeah, and this function would be like an initiate. So I need an initiation. So we need to initiate this every time it's opened, every time this is opened. We'd have to initiate. Yep. So that's what we need to do. Shout out to the free watching on YouTube and the one on Twitch. But something I wanted to do was potentially, because now let me show you. I've actually got the changelog. So this is what I've done so far. And you know, there's a drug system I want to add, a couple more other things, but I'm really starting to run out of ideas of what types of features we need. And I thought the best thing we could do, or at least I could do, and the best thing I could do is do it with you guys on a live stream, is what I want to do is I want to go and watch GTA 5 roleplay, prison roleplay servers. You know what I mean? Because I want to see what type of features they have. I want to see how these servers work, how the games operate. I want to see, like, you know, I want to see players actually playing these things and role playing it, so we can gather a list type of thing. You know what I mean? Good morning, Widowmaker. How you doing, mate? Welcome to the stream. But what do you think of that, guys? Do you want to watch some GTA 5 prison roleplay right now and start getting ourselves a list going, because I think we can probably finish up this now. We've ran into a couple of issues now, but we've done a few things today. The inventory now needs to be done as well. But that's what we're going to do, guys. We're going to actually do that now. We've been going for an hour. We might as well go for about another hour now, but we're going to do something different right now. And we're going to be watching some GTA 5 roleplay. So let's jump straight into it. Let's go to Yeah, sure, sounds good. It's one thing I mean to watch, but never get around to watching GTA roleplaying. Yeah, this is going to be a good practice for us to, not steal ideas, you know what I mean, but like see how these servers work. Because I've only ever seen a little bit of gameplay from a specific YouTuber. He's like a prison YouTuber, and he created a server once, so we might start watching some of his stuff. But what this is going to be, feature IDs. Whack that there so we can keep it there. Alright, beautiful. Let's jump straight in. So we've got that. I might as well leave this on there so we can just, you guys can actually see what's going on here. So let me try and make this a little bit smaller so I can also see that. Okay. Alright, what do we need? Sorry guys, just grabbing a drink. Alright, so GTA Roleplay Prison. GTA Roleplay Prison. Alright, so who we got? We got Wafflers, 850,000 subs. We got Vadact. Let me know if you know any of these guys, and if they're any good. Lenny Barn. But we got Looney Outside. I think we're probably... Oh, look at this. We got a courtroom situation, which is super cool. And he's the guy that I was watching. So let's gameplay series.
All right, folks, welcome to the beginning.
Okay, guys, you need to let me know if the audio is good on your end.
I've got my box.
Can you hear everything properly? My voice is not overwhelming. But why am I not subscribed on this channel? But let's subscribe.
The door just fell off. We've got blood already. Guard, where are you at?
You gonna get it tonight. I hope you're flexible.
Oh my God! Look at the way that they're talking to me.
All right. So what do we got happening here?
The way that they're talking to me. This is crazy.
So there's like an initiation. That's an idea. So potentially like an initiation. What I mean, like booking for new players. Let's throw that in. That's an idea. So they can get booking, they come into the prison, so maybe that's a thing. So maybe if guards are online, then you can go through a booking process and they've got to process you. That's an idea. But this is funny shit.
Hey guys, how you guys doing? I'm new in here.
I like how the character looks like him.
We're gonna go ahead and just check this place out. Where'd you get street clothes from?
But what you're seeing right here, guys, is literally what this game's gonna be like.
Hey, I'm just minding my own business. I'm gonna go ahead and mind my own business and just walk around.
One thing I noticed is the graphics aren't that good. I don't know if these are like models they've created and they're not that good or something, you know what I mean? Like, shout out to the 4 watching on YouTube and the one on Twitch. Are they all real players? Yes, they're all real people. That's the whole concept of this. It's multiplayer driven role play. That's the type of genre that I'm trying to carve out here. You know what I mean? Because nobody's done it yet. This only exists in the GTA universe. There is other prison games, but nothing like this, where it's completely multiplayer driven. There's like mini based games where you're an inmate and you got to try get out and all that type of stuff. Is the audio good, guys?
Frankie? Who's Frankie?
Frankie. Frankie's funny. He's got the maddest voice.
My brother Frankie wants to talk to you.
Which one of you is Frankie?
And look, like I just want to say this quickly, like, and see how these players are role playing their role, and it's very strict, and it's like you've got to play your role. That's the whole concept. That's what these servers are going to be. These players are going to be very dedicated to these role playing aspect. Yeah, audio is good. That's beautiful.
Oh man, Frankie's got the mohawk.
Frankie's got the mohawk.
Hey, what's up, man? What's your name?
Well, they call me Jay Smooth.
I actually helped this guy create one of his Discord servers.
Frankie, I've just got to say,
Not on it anymore. I think he abandoned it.
hairdo is amazing.
Well, I do this every day in the mirror, brother. Myself, you know. Bit of boot.
Customizable tattoos. Fucking beautiful, mate. Beautiful. Booking for new players, tattoos for players. Fucking oath. We're only 2 minutes in and we got some good fucking ideas.
But Frankie, it's a real pleasure to get a chance to meet you.
Oh yeah, you look a bit green, man. You new to prison?
Well, I have seen
Frankie
you on
sounds
television,
fucking sick.
But, yeah, this is actually my first time.
Oh, look at his little weed fucking
Oh man, you're in for
thongs.
a treat. You come in here.
There's another thing, guys.
Time, though, man. Let me tell you, you're gonna wanna hang out with us.
Customizable clothing.
They're we're working on getting something.
Or
jumping
custom
off those
clothing?
guys, you know what I'm saying? They've been taking too many liberties on the block.
You know, like, you know,
First of all, Frankie, it sounds
flip-flops.
like you're,
maybe
talking about violence
bandanas.
jumping off here. What are you insinuating?
Oh, there's gonna be something jumping off, all right. Those guys have been pushing it too far lately.
Who are
Since you
those
wanna-
guys?
Something's about to pop
Those
off.
guys down there, the folk.
Oh, a little spoiler alert. Fucking, Joe, this is Joe Smooth. He fucking turns into the biggest snitch and starts snitching on everyone. Watch.
Yeah, there was a shanking not too long ago, man. Just before you came in. Heard the guy's dead, but I don't know.
Dead. Are you kidding
Yeah.
me?
This is what I'm talking about. That's them folk.
Well, I don't want
You
no
know, putting
problems
us all
with
on
them.
lock.
I don't want no problems with it.
Stick with
Look,
us.
see, even these types of animations where you can sit down, you can hold a
We can
book.
work something out, you know?
These are all very critical for these types of games, you know, for the
Exactly what I have to do for you.
animations,
Oh, I'll go over that.
sitting,
You do properly.
etc.
Don't worry.
All right. Well, we're just gonna stand here on the steps, or are you gonna buy me dinner?
Come into my cell. I want to talk to you real quick.
Oh boy, we're going in the cell. It's about to be hell in the cell, folks.
These models have got to be like not original GTA models.
Can't risk those guards over here in this dark now.
Frankie, do you have marijuana leaves on your socks?
I do indeed. You got the money, you can get anything you want in this place.
Frankie, that is badass.
You want some of these slides?
Yeah, they actually look like they're Gucci, aren't they?
They're
Oh
Gucci.
yeah, they're Gucci, baby. They're Gucci.
See, that's the
Good
thing
Gucci, nice.
Rockstar doesn't want. They don't want you putting fucking brands in their games because you will get sued the living fuck out of you if you actually did that with a real game.
Them
So
guys down
that's
there-
what I think.
Yeah, once you do that.
And let me just quickly say, this is what I think why Rockstar purchased 5M, because now they want to at least take control of that 5M structure. To then what I think they're going to do is they're going to create their own 5M for GTA 6, but I think it's going to be very limited. And I think what's going to happen is that there's a thing called the Rage mod, which is the Rockstar Advanced game engine, which is the engine they're using, but there's also a modding system. I forget, and I believe they're going to allow you to mod, but to certain degrees and stuff like that. I think they're going to try and limit it, and which I think is the wrong thing to do. What I'm doing and what people should be doing is capitalizing on this whole fucking thing, this whole aspect, this whole roleplay genre, because these players are the most dedicated players you will ever fucking come across, I'm telling you. And like, there's so many of them, type of thing. So it's a fucking a niche, a micro niche that hasn't been capitalized on yet. Nobody that, like, unless you can point out a AAA studio or even a AA studio that has created a game that is strictly multiplayer driven, 5M style like this, show me, because I haven't found one yet. And I'm going to be the first fucking studio to do it. Even though I'm not a studio right now, I'm going to be the first person to do it. If you ain't crazy enough to believe it, nobody else will.
If you're enjoying this or getting any kind of enjoyment out of this.
All right, so now, as you can see, this is something I assumed will happen. The guards are controlling the inmates, right? They're taking them to the rec room. They're taking them here. They're taking them there. Aminosity FPS. Are you familiar with modes like this on Fortnite and Roblox? No, I did heard. I've called this project Prison RP, and apparently there's a Prison RP Roblox server. So yeah.
I just got killed.
Will these players be inside jail, or would they be working of their time?
Look at a guy back there just
What do you mean? In this server situation or in the actual game? So the way it is, the way I think is what's going to happen, right? Is, you know, in our game, you know, inmates can access, they can go work, they can go to the rec room, they can do this and that by themselves. But what I think is going to happen is that the CEOs are going to control that. And I'm going to give them powers to lock down the prison and all that type of stuff, where they're going to control it. They're going to go in lockdown. They're going to get everybody on the ground. They're going to get everybody in their cell. You know, they're going to search people one at a time. All that type of stuff. That's what's going to happen. And you can see it happening right now here.
Hey, whoever snitches got a green light on them now. Whoever snitches got a green
Whoever snitches getting a green light on them.
might have some information.
I might have some information. And every single one of these guys are players, people, actual people.
Anything to you.
Now,
I'm gonna shank you.
everyone else, you're on lockdown. Get in your cells.
Get him in solitary, yeah, him.
Oh.
Okay, there's something.
Floated to isolation.
A bit
Oh my God,
ability to walk
Folks,
cuffed
I'm now
players
in
around,
the hole.
Everybody else, just go ahead and lock down.
because that's very critical, very
Hell yeah, Frankie, that was awesome. I've
critical
never felt more alive.
thing for this type of
Frankie!
gameplay.
This one right here. This one right here.
Will you see me sucker punch that guy?
And see how he's been put in segregation? We've got segregation cells
Did I get some
where they can
respect?
literally put you in segregation for so long. See, right now he could have physically. See, this is the limitations of GTA, right? See, they have no logic to lock this door, so he could theoretically just walk out. But you're meant to roleplay and pretend you're locked up. But in our game, you're going to be literally locked in and no way out. And there'll be a timer up the top, so you'll know how long you're going to be in the cell for.
So
Put
good.
in work on that guy.
And officers can physically segregate you for as long as they want. But I'm going to put a limit of 10 minutes, so you can't be segregated longer than 10 minutes. So they don't segregate you for fucking 16 hours or something, you know what I mean?
Hey, who just said that? Somebody was talking trash. Frankie, I heard him.
Yeah, we gonna get them folk again. Don't you worry. Hey, Smooth, you never did tell me what you're actually in here for, dog. What you in here for?
Child.
What?
I can't hear it, guys.
I'm in here for theft charges. Let's just leave it at that. I stole something.
You stole something? Oh, man. You're actually gonna get out of here someday, huh?
Oh, my God.
This is something we won't have is outside, unless...
Ready?
I don't know, unless that
Yes, sir,
changes.
I'm ready. Where am I going?
Hands against the wall.
How do I do that? I don't know that emote, so I'll just pretend.
That would be just part of the animations that we'll add, so you can put your hands against the wall and stuff like that. It'd just be animations you can execute at any time, like sitting down, holding a, reading a book, fucking
Frankie, thank you.
putting your hands against the wall and stuff like that.
Excuse me, officer. That was very rude.
Did I stutter?
You actually did not, so I'm gonna be quiet.
And I'm going to create something similar like this, where the officers completely controlling your movement, but your legs are going to move. I'm going to make it look better.
Hey, I didn't tell the police anything.
Nah, fuck that. I heard you say officer. I got some information for you.
Stand straight.
It's good. It's good.
Hey, who said that? Somebody's gonna get the business calling me a snitch.
All right, come on, let's go. Let's go.
And this survey is called Illumination Roleplay,
We're going.
if you're wondering what it is.
Yes.
All right, buddy, come on, keep on walking.
And this channel is After Prison Show.
You go. Man, we ain't in no rush.
Why am I walking like this? I am limping.
I said the line. What is this? Everyone get in line.
I'm still.
We're not in here for listening, officer. There we go.
And see how all this can happen in a very small map like this, you know what I
You wanna
mean?
be a part of the,
You don't need nothing too big and serious.
I'm telling you right
I'd
now,
love to
this
have an
is-
outside, but fuck, we
Hey,
just probably
Frankie,
can't
you're
do it.
back.
Yeah, get out, brother. God damn, I stink now.
Oh, we're gonna have such a swell time in here. You are my new prison BFF.
Close the gap. Let's go. Yeah, I care. Close the gap.
And close that
Hey,
gap.
Frankie, can you smoke? in
So
here?
now they're taking them to the recreation yard, by the looks of it.
I stick right up your ass.
Oh, that doesn't sound very pleasant at all, Frankie.
I could use a smoke though, let me tell you.
So where are we going? Are we getting some rec time?
6-10. Everybody in the positions.
Come kick it with us, Smooth.
Hey, excuse me, officer.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
Not too sure. Give me a second.
Damn, the guard doesn't even
I haven't
know
walked in
where
a
he's
line
taking
like
it.
this since elementary school. This is degrading.
That's what this is all about, brother. This system's built to break you.
Whoever keeps calling me a snitch, I'm gonna
Stay
stab
strong.
them. They can't hear me.
Get in the workout pen.
Hey, excuse me, who keeps calling Jay Smooth a snitch?
Jay Smooth.
Since y'all want to be like idiots and start fights.
Hey.
Somebody's gonna get it.
Come on, get inside, get inside.
Hey, Paul, go.
And look, as you see, they start doing gym animations, which is something I'm going to add,
Where are we going,
Hey, yo,
Frankie?
guard this was-
where you can do pull-ups and all that type of shit.
Yes,
Stand
sir.
guard.
Am I like a
Make a box.
captain now?
Make a box.
Copy. We're all just.
You're a soldier.
This our pull-up art right here.
How do I work out?
So this is the whole how the game's going to work essentially.
Really
Like,
like that?
obviously the guards are going to
Are
have
they in trouble?
overpowering powers to sort of control you and all that type of stuff, you know?
He's mad that you knocked their guy out. That's what it is.
And see how he's typing in commands there? He's trying to do emotes or animations.
How many you got?
Oh yeah. You made him look like a spark.
Come on.
Hey, those guys look pretty serious over there. What are they doing? They're looking at us kind of crazy.
Look all serious all they want, brother. They ain't got nothing. They ain't got nothing.
Hey, excuse me over there. What are you looking at?
You staring at?
Hey, I don't appreciate that tone of language right there,
I don't
actually.
appreciate your tone of language, homie. Don't try. and
Hey, ain't
catch
you the
me.
one that called me a
What's up?
snitch anyways?
Yeah, I did.
You called me a snitch. You called me a...
Yeah, what's up?
You son of a bitch.
What
You
you
called me a
tryna do?
snitch. I'm going to show you a snitch right now. I don't even know what...
What's up?
What's up then?
What's
pussy?
up?
What's up? What's up?
What's up?
Frankie, help me!
There's another thing. There's going to be gangs and that. People are going to like join their own gangs and form their own gangs.
Wait, whoa.
Now it's on.
No. Hey, I'm not going for... Oh, shit, I just...
Hey, down.
Obviously, fighting as well is something that needs to be added.
Get down. Everyone down.
We're going back.
Everyone
Oh,
down. That's it. We're going back on lockdown. Get
Fucking
down.
Pussies.
Copy. Get him on the floor.
Wait till we catch you in the interior. We gonna throw you off the top rail.
Hey, you want to stop talking? Or you want to stop 30?
Alright, we've had enough of this. Now we're going to try
throw me off the top
and find
tier.
something else out. Because what we want to see is as much as this as we can, escape in maximum security. That's probably a first player thing. Yeah, that's got to be a first player thing. Wait, GTA Roleplay 5M. This guy's only got 1,000 subs. Let's watch him. All right.
They let my nigga Buddy out the box, blood. Old ass nigga, blood. What's up, Buddy? I told blood, old ass, stop tripping, blood.
Niggas already know what it is, blood. Hey, I got some shit I got handle too on the
Look, they got these guys have got
what it
actual
is, all that,
uniforms.
Like, I'ma holler at him, you know what I'm saying? As soon as I get that medal, I ain't even gonna play with him. You see what I'm saying?
I have some of them real soon.
Hey.
This prison looks much better.
Ain't gonna lie though. There's something about a crib nigga that I don't like. I ain't gonna lie. What's going on? We bulling. You ain't chilling. We billing.
Soon as we get our hands
SADCR.
On blood.
Yeah.
Big homie been putting me down on some knowledge, fool.
What that is?
Bro.
I want to see like a long play, not edited shit like that. Let's go into here, watch some more of these.
All right, folks. Welcome to the beginning. Joe is going to prison. I've got my box.
You're gonna go towards
Valentine's Day.
2.
Let's watch this one. It actually looks better. I think they upgraded the server, yeah.
Hey, baby.
Frankie, is that your sister?
Yeah, that's my wife right there, man. Queen of the showers.
Wait, whoa. I hope we're getting paid to do this.
Or you're going straight back to ISIL.
I just got off the phone with the Federal Bureau of Institutions, and basically they wanted to shut the prison down.
Wake me up.
I'll be back in a couple of minutes, guys. You can watch this.
Yeah, so this reminds me of many times being locked up, curled up in the fetal position right by the toilet bowl. Oh, jeez. Help me! They can't hear you when you're dead. Oh, God. Help me! Is there anybody? Frankie, is that you?
Get back from the door.
Yes, sir, officer. I literally was just trying to check on my friend since nobody else is doing rounds around here. Where's that female at? Frankie!
You say something about a female? Where?
Oh. I had a dream last night about that female CO.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I think I found my soulmate, Frankie. You know, I just wonder, why do we always find ourselves in isolation?
Well, you know, I think part of it is, you know, I'm crazy, you're crazy, and a mixture of like the guards, they don't like us very much. But you know that one guy with the the weird hairdo, fathead.
Yeah, I know exactly who you're talking about.
I took a shit in his coffee once, so he's never liked me since.
Yeah, that'll do it, Frankie. That'll do it. Hey, how long have we been back here this time?
I mean, I lost count after like 2 weeks.
Officer.
What's his 53 mean? It must be his ID or something.
Me, I'm just naked and admiring you right now.
Visualizes when he's speaking.
Jesus Christ.
Don't run away.
Hey, officer.
Don't run away. The last guy didn't get away. Officer. Don't just stand there and look at me. You're not
Look
gonna
at some
like what
shower
happens next.
stuff.
Officer.
What?
When are we getting out of isolation?
When I finish this.
It's mad how he pulled out a shit. That looked pretty real.
Another one of those.
Smoking cigarettes.
I don't know. What do you got? Tell me. You know when I took a shit in your coffee? You remember that?
You know what? Ever since I've been addicted to that flavor. I have to pay women to do that now.
Hey, officer, what is this? Your break room back here?
Maybe even taking drugs.
What
we break bones. It's a break room.
Just keep an eye on everything.
With the
Can I get
screen
a-
effect on it,
can I get
maybe?
a cup of coffee?
You can smell
Get
it.
a cup of kick ass.
You think I could just like if you put that cup up against it, could I sniff it? Just a sniff.
You can smell it from right there, pal.
Turn against the wall.
You know, hold on, officer. Your eyes are.
Holding clipboards, like holding clipboards, you know, holding coffees.
Hold on.
Wait, why
And these are the players like doing these emotions
You
themselves,
should see this guy's eyes right here.
emotes themselves or animations. They call them emotes, I think.
His eyes are super bloodshot. What type of narcotics are you using, officer?
Only the best.
Makes sense. All right.
Uh-huh. What?
Hey guard, how's your back? Heard you flung out of a car a while back.
Oh, that
Back
was
brace.
hilarious.
Holding me upright.
Yeah.
I'm on the wall, officer. Come get me.
I don't like how you said that.
And all right. Step by the wall, sir.
Okay.
I'm on the wall.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God.
I didn't.
Dear Lord.
I didn't do. What? Why you got your gun out? I didn't do. Oh wow, there's the weight room right there.
He's clipping through the fucking wall.
Another dimension.
Well, I think I found a way out of here.
That's one way
Is
out.
this hell?
Yes, it is. That is hell, Frankie. That is hell.
Frankie, we're getting out of here.
That would have been this whole thing happening here, clipping him through the wall. There'd been no collision.
Already. God,
It
I
would
haven't
make
seen
sense
these
to
guys in a
remove
long
the
time.
collision so they, because they'd get stuck everywhere.
Hey Smooth, what do you think? We should make like a prison pizza today?
Yeah, we got to do something, Frankie. We got to celebrate, fellas. Hey, fellas.
Prison
we're back.
cooking, that's another thing. See, look, this guy's just doing an
Shout out to
emote.
Frankie, we're back
You know what I
in-
mean? Like,
back in Gen Pop, guys.
Behave yourselves, gentlemen.
Hell yeah. Nachos on the block. Nachos.
like these type of stuff is very critical for this type of game. Not having that stuff would just be fucking
I like it.
stupid.
What you reading?
Hey, get on in there.
Because you need to give the player all these tools, all these role-playing tools to be able to role-play.
Yeah, there's no gangster
you know.
in Lord of the Rings. I'm gonna have to keep it moving.
Yeah, man.
I think they might be some.
Who's the guy in the corner over there?
Hey, officers, just want to let you know, no problems. No problems. Come on.
I appreciate that. I missed you,
Thank
man.
you. Oh, it's.
How are you?
Well, I'm actually doing a lot better now. Thank you for speaking to me.
That's good.
Frankie, every time I see you, man, it takes longer and longer. 6 more, man.
You know, I just want to ask.
The last thing you want to do is start talking to the fucking screws in front of everyone.
All the time. Good to see you, brother.
They should be, because you have been running through my mind all
have I now?
day.
And if these guys got correctional, that's something we're limited to. There's literally no assets, there is prison clothing assets, but no correctional officer clothing anywhere. So I had to use sheriff clothing. And apparently sheriff prisons are a thing in America in some cases, where they're controlled by the sheriff. Like,
Wow,
maybe
it
jails,
looks
not
there's some
prisons.
faces in here. What you guys been doing to pass the time in here? We still ain't got a TV in here yet? Where's the warden?
I wish.
Ain't no TV, ain't no cards, ain't no tabletop. We don't even got no chessboard in here.
Hey,
We
guys,
can't even play no dominoes, man. Damn.
what do y'all think about having a cook-off? See who can make the best prison pizza in this joint. What do you think?
I'm down. Hell yeah.
About the only thing we can do.
You guys can try my new spam pizza.
Oh, you got the spam though?
Why are you rubbing up on Papito, man?
You hold it in my pocket, man.
And look, what I want to point out is see how the whole gameplay of this whole fucking game is driven by the players. You know, they're doing emotes, they're playing the role, the COs are arresting the players, they're handcuffing, they're segregating them. This is the whole dynamic of this type of game. And this hasn't been done before in an actual game. In this type of multiplayer setting
Since we don't have any
for
type of
prison
record,
games anyway.
Do you think we could get some yard time?
Hey, fathead.
What I could do is probably show you quickly, some of the what is it called? Prison games. These are the prison games. Well, the major ones would be this one. Fuck, look how many there is. Which are the top ones? I think that's the mini game one, and there's like a prison break as well. But see, this is probably it's like a mini game. So you got to be inmates, and they got to try escape. And there's nothing like this. That's an actual game. This only exists in the GTA universe.
What the hell happened to him?
I think it's sugar drops.
Oh my God.
He's sugar dropped.
He's a diabetic.
Now let me tell you, ma'am, you have to be the most beautiful lady I have ever seen in my life.
Hey, look, I once saw an episode of Baywatch. I know how to do CPR.
I hope you do.
And I want to take you out for a brewski. You know what I'm saying? You know, me and you.
Oh yeah.
Take a walk down the beach. You know?
Look how he picked him
I'm
up.
not a beach kind of girl though.
Well, I mean, we can walk anywhere, baby. I'm good. You know.
I'm not gonna hate on Frankie's game right here. Frankie's doing
You call
real
dibs?
good.
You wanna back up? That's my woman.
Oh,
Well, I
Frankie,
mean,
we
that's
just
my
came out of
woman.
isolation.
My
We
friend.
Because this is my woman.
don't get me started.
Whoa, fellas, listen.
I will split a
Guys.
wig for this.
Listen, fellas, we don't need
Oh,
the violence.
Shorty,
All right.
ain't
Why don't
I
you
your
go to
man?
commissary, guys?
Commissary.
Settle down.
Oh, commissary. Let's
Baby,
go.
Yeah,
come
we're
on.
gonna put her
Commissary.
behind a wall so y'all can't get all huffy puffy.
Well, let me tell you something.
See,
You weren't
see,
trying to
did
go
you
on
see
my
up
time.
here? Someone went to jail for
I
8
saw
minutes,
Tina, so there's that.
and it was from a judge.
I want you to handle this.
So that's something I think about adding is an actual courtroom where the players can role play. You know, there can't be judges and stuff like that, but you know, it's going to give the COs a way to sort of role play, taking you to court and convicting you and all that type of stuff, and then punish you afterwards. So they will catch you, they'll charge you, they'll take you to the courtroom, you'll get convicted, and then you'll get punished, type of thing.
Paid to do
Handle that
this.
will, or you're going straight back to ISO.
I hope we get
come on,
paid for
man.
this.
Yeah, you get paid 20 cents an hour.
You have to clean the showers.
Oh, come on, fathead.
Yeah.
Don't do that to
And
us,
I
man.
need you to open the drains and get all the slurpy slurp out of the pipes, okay?
Oh,
Hold on,
And you're gonna have to
hold on,
use a
listen.
siphon, so you're gonna have to do a spit chamber, okay?
Are we getting paid for this?
20 cents an hour, I told you.
Shit, that's a ramen noodle soup. Point me in the direction. I need a job in here.
There you go. Let's go.
I'm actually
Wait, who is
excited
it?
about this. Let's go to work.
You should not be excited.
So now they're going to work. All right, let's see how this all happens.
Frankie's done this many times. He can show
Or
you
they're
the
going to
slurp
the gym,
out of the pipe.
inside gym.
Oh, man.
The old, the man juice.
Officer, can I ask you a question though? Real talk.
Yeah.
I just need to ask you. A
This is a
question.
nice looking shower block.
Well, I'm not doing
I don't
nothing.
trust you.
I'm
Every
not
time you
doing
say you
nothing.
wanna
My
ask me
hands
a
are up.
question,
This is a serious.
time you
Hands
Here's
are
another
up.
thing too. See how the CEOs deciding to do corrupt operations?
You as a referee.
That's something else. I'm going to give you a lot of abilities. Like, you know, if you can search players, you can take payments off them to not confiscate things. You can like plant things on them. You can do all sorts of shit, all sorts of corrupt actions by choice, type of thing.
Span and clean. It better be
Officer,
shining,
am I
okay?
doing a good job?
Whatever.
Am I doing a
No,
good
you're-
job?
You're doing a horrible job, and that's why you're in prison.
What the? I get an A for effort, don't I?
No. Why are you cleaning a punching bag? Punch it. Don't clean it. What are you doing, boy?
Okay.
Oh, man.
Now that the boss is gone, Frankie, I'm gonna do what I do every time I get a job.
What are you going to do?
Drugs. I'm gonna do drugs, Frankie.
Wait, you got drugged?
Oh, I thought I did. It must have only been in my dreams that I had that 8-ball. Son of a bitch.
No. Come here. Come here.
You got something?
Let's smoke this shit.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Break time already, Frankie.
Yeah, we don't do no frickin' work in here, man.
Whoa! Where'd you get a vape?
It's just fucking around the entire time. That's what this is. The whole game's gonna be like this.
Two.
This is what I wanted to see. This
You got.
this is gonna be hilarious. Going to see his fucking someone's kid. He's had a kid. He's been in jail for 18 years and he's got a 5-year-old kid or something.
Frankie, are you okay in there?
Yeah, I think I'm getting a visitor, man.
Oh my God.
Somebody from the
Alright, so
outside
you
world.
can sit and
Somebody from the outside world.
Oh, thank
Oh
you.
yeah, I know that voice.
If you're
I want to see Frankie's visit.
See, what I want to know is this mapping just what the prison was? Like, is this just the actual prison? Or did they actually map this?
Remind me to green light Fathead when we get back to the block.
Oh my God!
Hey,
Frankie, is that
Yeah.
is that your sister?
Yeah, it's my wife right there, man.
It's been a while.
Hey, baby, what's up?
Don't mind me
I
back
miss
here,
you.
Frankie. Whatever you do, don't turn
I
around.
miss you too, baby. Hey, you dropped something.
Oh
Right
yeah?
over there. Yeah, you dropped it on the floor there.
I'll pick it up later.
How's everything been though on the outside? You good?
Yeah, I've been holding things down for you.
Yeah.
See, this type of stuff
Come back.
we can't really happen, and this is all what is the word? It's all scripted. Like there's no way for there to be like players be able to turn into fucking civilians and then come see inmates. This is not going to happen in our game. They're just doing this like as a scripted fucking.
You met my boy here, Smooth.
Hello.
Hello to you as well. What is your
Jay
name?
Smooth.
My name is Carly.
Oh, that's real nice. That's real nice.
Do me a
Let's
favor.
look at some more videos and then we'll finish up. 100 players simulate prison. What? This is what you want to watch. The live stream would be better. Honestly, not like heaps edited crap. Maybe watch this.
That shit made me sad, I cannot lie. When my grandmother fell down the steps, that shit had made me cry. Niggas thinking that they...
Is that an ad or? Oh, okay.
You doing?
Yo, give me the pokey. Give me the pokey.
Yellow ass stink. I'm not gonna lie. Keep that shit over there.
Yeah, they must be creating their own maps because this is a totally different map.
Real rant.
Because I'm assuming all these types of models are definitely not fucking in the GTA game. You know what I mean? Like they look fucking very low poly. Like like someone's just created these models and put them in there.
Yeah, nigga.
Oh no, so that's why I put the shit on lockdown.
They about to flip every cell up and down, bro.
Oh shit, we about to get our cell.
Alright, so these guys are locked
putting shit
up
your
in their
ass
cell.
Immediately. Start shoving shit in your ass. Start shoving everything in your ass.
That's something I'm thinking could happen. Like if the CEOs put the prison in lockdown, you've got maybe 2 minutes to get back to your cell, and if you don't get back to your cell in 2 minutes, you'll respawn in your cell. That's something I'm thinking about doing. So there will be situations where you will be locked in your cell, potentially locked in segregation and stuff like that.
These honey buns, nigga.
No, you take all my food.
No, nigga, you. No.
Dude, what's that? Biscuits.
Take that. Put that up. Take that shit, bro. Take that shit.
Against the wall, hands up. Against the wall, hands up. Let's go.
That's why those animations are critical for this type of gameplay, like because
I'm against the wall.
because the player needs to be able to do that at will.
He locked the cell on me. Yo, can niggas let us out the cell, bro, please? Bro, listen, I broke into this old lady house.
There was a knock animation. That was
I
mad.
made me a sandwich. She had a rat running around her house. I took the rat, kidnapped.
The only thing I didn't like about 5M, developer-wise, is that they literally use the same fucking templates. It's like everybody uses the same template for everything, and it fucking does my head in. And you like that whole concept is very hard to now find fucking anything that is a standalone fashion where it doesn't need these fundamental fucking it's ridiculous. 5M was ridiculous, but I learned more about replication, client side, server side more, because San Andreas Multiplayer doesn't have client side, server side. I was more introduced to it with 5M. I only dabbled with 5M for a little bit.
I swear, I know y'all just seen this nigga over there and it's so twerking, bro.
Sir, I don't got nothing but food on me, bro. All the free food I got.
Sir, you don't gotta search my, you don't gotta search my cell, man.
Sir, why are you taking my phone? That's literally up my asshole.
Because that's something that's like, see, all these, when you join this server, you'll download all the files for all these models. That just couldn't happen in San Andreas Multiplayer. The only way that could happen is if you modded your own game, and then other players can't see your mods, obviously. But that's something good about 5M is you're able to do that, able to add
the nigga is over there.
able to add shit into the server that everybody can see and stuff.
Bro,
and he don't give a fuck.
Hands up. Get against the wall. Hands up.
Yeah,
you run slow as shit.
I'm not running. I didn't run from you. Alright.
Let's go.
I ain't even run.
Hands up.
I don't have nothing, bro. I don't have nothing. I don't even have nothing.
So as you can, it's all still the same stuff, you know, same style gameplay, just
down for what?
COs,
on me, bro.
Ordering around inmates. That's all these gameplay is gonna be.
We're going down, sir.
That's not mine. None of that is mine, bro. Just because it's on my body, it doesn't mean
and inmates can conspire, potentially start riots. And then I want our CEOs to be able to put on riot gear and all that type of stuff to fucking to then role play those rioting control and stuff, like rioting control, riot control, whatever you want to call it.
I know what y'all did.
What we do?
There will be situations where players are going to be like not role playing and stuff like that, but the actual server admins are going to handle all that. You'll probably get kicked from the server by a staff member if you blatantly not role playing and you're doing stupid shit. You'll get kicked. Simple as that. Because what's going to happen is when you host a server, you're going to have access to admin commands and admin controls and be able to hire staff members, other admins to moderate your servers and stuff like that. So, because that's very needed. Mainly for cheaters.
Turn around, sir.
Because cheating is something you can't eliminate completely.
Look, he trying to bust out that jail.
Where you going?
What? What happened?
Yo, the nigga, bro,
But these are the types of games where cheating will be blatant and obvious. You'll get kicked straight away.
Come on the yard, bro. We gonna handle him.
And there's no point in cheating in this type of game. You know what I mean? Like.
Come on the yard. We gonna handle his bitch ass.
Beautiful day outside. Let's go.
I mean, like.
Why you was over here twerking, bro? What's up with that?
I was not twerking.
You was over here twerking, bro. Yeah, that's definitely a different fucking prison, like setup.
Y'all was out here twerking?
Yo, no, come here.
Because I don't think the prison was inside the prison was accessible in the actual game.
Now we're gonna meet y'all outside.
So it wouldn't be mapped. So what they're doing here is they're mapping these objects inside of the exterior building.
You gonna grab it too, so you don't think I was lying. Watch.
Or maybe they would have to remove shit.
Look, over here.
We really stabbed the nigga up and left him up here.
In the first cell to the right.
What I'm noticing is this looks really like a prison, like.
What the fuck?
See that bitch in there?
No, I don't.
And why are these guys just walking around by themselves, like?
I think I threw it in here somewhere.
In a segregation room.
Is it under like one of these beds or something?
That nigga might.
That's something I want to know. Do they have inventories? Do they have storage spots? Can they stash shit in things? That's something you can do in our game. Because like if you got something illegal, you could theoretically stash
I
it.
swear I threw that.
And if the CO doesn't check the stash point and then they search you, you won't have it on you and you won't get charged, type of thing. Like
It might
so-
be here. Let me check under the bed, bro. This bitch.
But this is not normal for them to be able to get access to this degree. Like, why isn't there a CO with
Come on, bro,
them
grab that shank. Come on.
to be able to get here?
Everybody outside.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, I was just about to say the prison's empty now. Yeah, so obviously this game will only work if inmates have so much access.
they got
They need,
officers everywhere.
it can't be like in real life where you're locked in your cell fucking most of the day.
Come here, bro.
Yo.
Come walk with me real fast.
Oh.
You ever met Nafi?
Who?
Nah. Huh?
I ain't never met, bro.
Is that an aurora borealis in the sky or something? What? Look at that. See it? Look at this. What the fuck?
Seen that off? You seen that?
Pass me that. Pass me.
Seen what I just
Pass
seen?
me that.
Grab the mic, bro.
I like this inventory system. Looks clean.
Y'all all on lockdown. Y'all all on lockdown. All on lockdown. Y'all all on lockdown. Y'all all on lockdown. Stop that running shit. Stop that running shit. Stop that running shit. Stop that running shit.
Come on, cut. Come on, cut.
Wrong person.
Ah!
Get that thug. Okay, I'm sorry.
That's Hazel looks sick.
He a certified rat, bro. He just trying to make a citizen arrest. Niggas be certified rats, bro. Get away from niggas, nigga.
Ain't nobody worried about you.
I wasn't
nigga.
even talking to you, bro. I wasn't
Alright
even talking.
then.
Oh, alright. Oh, alright then.
Alright.
Oh, alright then. Oh, alright
Look
then.
at yo. Why are you jumping up? This ain't got
'Cause
nothing
we
to do with you.
Cause this my man's though.
It don't matter though.
I
I'm
don't
talking
care.
to you.
I don't care though.
I'm talking to you,
You just
bro.
jumped out your body, twerked in the
I
air,
ain't
and try to
jump out.
ride a nigga dick. You dick riding.
Real shit, bro. You on some
Watch
gay
out,
ass shit.
bro. Watch out.
Man.
Watch
Yeah,
out.
but that's your man.
Watch
That's your
out.
man.
Watch out.
That's your man.
Watch
Who's
out.
you talking?
But I think we've got a nice little list here. So what do we gain from this? So it'd be good to have like a little booking for new players to come in, which will sort of only happen if there is COs online. So you will sort of skip the booking process maybe. So that's an idea. Tattoos for players, obviously. Custom clothing like flip-flops like we've seen. All other type of stuff. You know, animation, sitting, hands against wall and stuff. Hands against wall, etc. Ability to walk cuff players around, that's very critical, so then they can walk you to the segregation room and stuff. This is the typo. Ability to walk around, smoking cigarettes, joints and stuff, and potentially taking drugs with like screen effect. What else have we seen here? What I want to do is ability for COs to lock down prison. Yeah, I think that's some good couple ideas that we can think about when we're working on our game. But that's probably where I'm going to leave this stream. We're going for over 2 hours now. At the start of the we got a few things done in the project. What do we get done? We got a few things. There's a few things we figured out. I've got to do just a little bit more stuff to get the crafting system done. But once all this stuff's done, we'll be pretty much close to finishing this version, which will be adding a couple more things here, and it will be version 1.0.2, which is the third official build. So we started in June, I think it was June or July this year, and then the first release was in September, and then a month later was the next release, and it's taken a little bit longer for us to get this other release. October, November, almost probably going on about 2 months by the time we get this one done. But that's probably where we are. So we've got a lot done today. We've got some nice feature ideas. What I want to do is I want to save that and put that there. Bang. So yeah, that's where we are. So oh, my thing was stuck. Oh, okay. But anyway, shout out to the two watching on YouTube and the one watching on Twitch. But that's probably where I'm going to leave this stream, guys. So in tomorrow's stream, something else we've got to work on is, I might as well put it here actually, is that we've got to create drug system. Create a drug system which has weed and cocaine. So shout out to Tombstone, which is who made those models for us. So we've got little bags and we've got gram bags, I think, small bags, and like ounce bags. So what the idea is, you buy like an ounce of weed and then you break it down into grams of weed, and then you can sell the weed back to the inmate potentially. So you order it off the inmate, you go to the dealer, you get the ounce off the dealer. You then have to do something to break the ounce down into grams, and then you can go back to the inmate dealer and sell him back the grams, and that's how you can make money and stuff like that. And obviously with these new feature ideas, you'll be able to take the drugs and stuff potentially. But that's probably where we are. I'm not sure what we're going to be doing tomorrow, but whatever we'll be doing, we'll be working on that tomorrow. So as you known, I haven't been streaming for the last 10 days because I've been working on this rebuild. But we're back in the streams, guys. I'm going to be going back into daily streams. So tomorrow's stream is going to be anywhere from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So the streams are usually 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Sydney time, Australia. But that's probably where I'm going to leave this stream, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you tomorrow with whatever we're working on. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day or night, and we'll see you then. Peace.